Hello, pretty builder. Today we're going to be talking about memberships and how to put people into certain member groups that will give them access to certain pages or not. If someone's not in your member group, they will not be able to access those certain pages. So for example, if you had a course and you wanted only the people that purchase your course to be able to see the certain pages that you created in your course funnel, you can give access to only those people. Or in another example, if you had someone sign up for a masterclass, a free masterclass even, you could have it so when they sign up, they get automatically put into a certain member group for masterclass, and only those people that signed up will be able to see the actual masterclass page. So if someone landed on that masterclass page accidentally, all they would see is a login form. And even if they had a regular member account on your website, if they're not in that specific group, they still won't be able to see that page. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So what you're first going to do is make sure you are in your contacts section on your website. And we're going to head over here to members and we're going to click add group. So let's just do the example that I just mentioned and say that the people that signed up for your masterclass are going to be put into this group. And we'll actually also make another one just for good measure. We'll say store purchase, because we're going to show you two different ways that you can add people into these groups. Now, you can go into each of these and go into the settings of whatever group you want to show, and you can, say that you can allow registrations to get into this member group, and you do that through a sign-up form, which I'll be showing you in just a second. You can make it so you have to approve these members before they're added into your group, and you can also send yourself an email notification on a new registration. So like I said, there are two ways that you can add people into these groups. So the first way is through a product purchase. When someone purchases the product, they will get added to this member group automatically. And then the second way is through a member sign up form. So this is going to be a form that you put on your page that someone signs up for a masterclass or just signs up for your website in general, and you will specify that when they sign up in this specific form, they will get added to the specific member group of your choice. So let's go ahead and do both of those right now. Let's start with the store. So go ahead and head up here to your store and activate your store if it hasn't been. So we're going to head over to products. We're going to add a new product and we're going to choose membership. So you can fill out all this information. You can make it a subscription if you want an ongoing membership, or if maybe it's just a one-time fee. But at the end of the day, it doesn't necessarily have to be marketed as a membership. This is just for the back end. So we know that when they purchase this product, they're going to be put into this member group that gives them access to certain pages. And I'll show you the access part last. But for now, this is how you put in the product membership. So like I said, choose membership, fill out all your information, and here is where you select the member group. So you're going to click select, and we'll say since this is the store product, we're going to click the store purchase group. So we'll go ahead and choose that, and you can fill out, you can make custom thank you pages if you want, you can tag them, whatever you want to do, but we'll save that and we'll move on. All right, so now let's go try the second way, which is through a member sign-in form. So let's go ahead and create a new blank page so we can mess with this and not mess with the site. So we will say sign up form here, and we will add that page. So now you're going to go over here to your widget section, and you're going to take a form widget. So we are going to take the member login registration widget, not the regular form. This is, you want them to be put into a member group. So you want to use the member login and registration form. So we're going to add that widget into here. And we don't need to mess with all how it looks and everything. I just want to show you the one part. So when you're doing it in this way and you want people to sign up for a class and get put into a member group, you don't want them to log in on this page. You want them to just sign up on this step. You can have a separate login page if you want, but when they go to the masterclass page, they're going to be asked to sign in anyway if they're not already signed in. And if they created an account here, they will be able to sign in with it. If they didn't and they're not in your member group, they won't be able to sign in and see the member or the masterclass. So here is where you want to choose the default group. So if someone fills out this form and they register for your masterclass, you want them to be added to the masterclass group. And again, you can add them to your email marketing lists, and you can also tag them as well. So we'll go ahead and save that. And now you're good to go. So when someone fills out this form, they'll get added to the masterclass member group. And when someone buys that product that you created, they will get added to your store products member group. So now, how do you give them access or not? So if you're on your main website, you can give them access through your pages. So let's say someone signed up for your class, or they signed up to be your membership, and you want them to be able to only access, or they're the only ones that can access your services page. Let's say, so you click here on settings, you show the settings for each individual page, and you go right here to page access. So you can choose password protected, but in this case, we're going to be doing members only. So for example, if they purchased your products and they're the only ones that you want to see the services page, I mean, that might not be the case, but this is for an example. So you would choose members only and you would choose store purchase. So now when somebody looks at this page and they're not a member, they will not see it. So for example, let's go to the services page. Let's view it, preview it. They will be shown this login form if they are not a member. If they are a member, they can go ahead and sign in and they will become a member of that member group. And they'll be able to access this page. Now, there's a few other ways. You can do it the same thing if you want your blog to only be seen by members. You can make your entire blog members only, which is pretty cool. And you can do the same thing for your portfolio. So you can get really intricate there if you want. Now, you can also do it in your funnels. So let's go ahead and head over to a funnel and just show you real quick. And it's the same experience. So these funnel steps are essentially pages. So if you wanted, the course dashboard page after they purchase their course, they're the only ones that can see the course dashboard and all the lessons. So you would go in here to settings again, and it's the same experience. You would choose members only, and the course students would be the only ones that could see that course. So I hope this helped you understand member groups better and how you can give membership access and page access to certain people. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to hello@pretty-co. Have fun, Pretty Builders. Bye.